morning everyone, this is Charlie, my camper van. He is undergoing a complete restoration. He's a Type 25 camper, he's awesome. Check this out. Pete has just got this in kind of fitted for the first time. It looks absolutely incredible. Absolutely fantastic. Oh wow. To keep the van nice and snug and warm, we've insulated it with 100% sheep's wool, and I've put this foil over it, so that should help keep it really snug inside. Now, what do you think of this idea? I'm not going to have a sink or a hob in this unit. That's where the sink would go, of course, but we normally just take the washing up to the kitchen in the campsite anyway, and I've got a hob that is sort of in a little case that's removable, and I thought rather than cook in the van, if I'm doing something really smelly or potentially quite messy with my cooking, I could just take it outside and cook on the table there. So see what you think, comment below. Do you reckon that's a good idea? And just have the unit sort of as completely clean? Yeah, that's my thinking at the minute. Thanks for watching, more soon. Please subscribe if you'd like to follow this restoration and the road trip that follows after. Cheers.